Hello there, beautiful people. Thank you for stopping by and welcome to another DIY episode. In case you're new here, my name is Effie and I'm passionate about everything DIY, home decor, organization, and craft. If that sounds like your thing, hit the subscribe button and I'll ensure to quench that thirst twice to thrice every single week. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are upgrading the look of your throw pillows using homemade tassels and pom-poms. Without saying much, let's get straight into the video. For today's project, you're going to require a pair of scissors, yarn, a pillowcase or pillowcases for the project, a sewing needle, and thread. We'll go straight into making our tassels. I'll be taking the yarn round my 3 fingers as shown. I'll go around for about 50 to 60 times. I'll snip off the edge of the yarn. Yes, slowly remove it out of my hand. Use another piece of yarn to secure the center. It has to be tight. Once that is tight enough, you go in with your pair of scissors. Just cut the round edges as I'm doing. Kindly ensure your pair of scissors is sharp, by the way. Mine wasn't the sharpest, but it worked. Ensure your pair of scissors is sharp. Once I've gone through the edges, I'm just doing a little trim, a nice trim all around through the pom-pom to ensure it's in a nice circular shape. Once that is done, I'm just fluffing out the excess yarn, and you guys can see this is the reason why I went round 50 to 60 times. That is why it looks fuller, it looks fluffier. The tassels, I'm using my 4 fingers as you can see. You could use your phone case, you could use your phone. I went round my fingers 15 to 20 times. Yeah, once that was done, just cut off the remaining yarn and cut another piece of the yarn and use it to secure the top part, as you guys can see. Once that is done, yes, I'm just cutting the lower edges. That is the first step of the tassel. I'm going with a piece of yarn again, slightly below where I made the first knot, and I also have to ensure this is tight. It has to be tight to limit the amount of movement. Yes, as you guys can see. Once that is done, I'll give it a little trim so that it looks neat, it looks nice. That is it for our tassels. Those are the tassels I'm going to use for our project. And straight away, let's get into the major part now. I'm putting my thread into the sewing needle, and just like that, I'm just indicating where my pom-poms will go. That is on either sides of the pillowcase, and the columns that I've mentioned with my hands are where my tassels will go. My first pom-pom goes to the very farthest edge of the pillowcase. Just like that. It's so simple. You could put your thread in once or twice. The best part is that whatever disorganization comes, it will appear on the inside. On the outside, it will look so nice. It doesn't have to be disorganized too. My second pom-pom. Yeah, that is how it looks. I'll do that for the entire segment. and I'm going to my opposite side of the pillowcase. As you guys can see, just whatever we did in the first round, just ensure your pom-poms are held in place, your thread passes neatly towards the inside, just like that. You guys can see it looks so nice. Yes, I'm now going in with my tassels. As I'd indicated earlier, I'm doing them in two straight lines, pushing in the thread once or twice. Yes, and just ensuring it goes back into the pillowcase in one straight line. That will ensure your final product looks neat. And that is it for our video today, guys. If you enjoyed this, kindly give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is so easy to make. Thank you for watching this till the end. If you enjoyed watching this as I enjoyed making it, hit the like button. In case of any questions and comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put a new video up. That's it for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Remember to be kind and spread love.